How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, open up the Instagram application, come to the profile page, tap on the three lines option, go to settings and privacy. Now just go to account center. From here simply go to an option called personal details. From here, go to account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion, select Instagram account, then leave it at the option called deactivate account because that is selected by default. Then you can tap on continue. Final step would be to basically enter your password, tap on continue, and your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. That's all it takes to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.